We're going to try another one together, and eventually you're going to have to do one of these examples where you write the evidence and elaboration on your own. So I really hope you're listening as I'm doing the explanation to help you. So what's the significance of the featured allusion? This one comes from this book called Lore. For example, the author describes Lore's character by stating, quote, "She was tempted to take one of the chocolate apples wrapped in foil to bring back to Athena, just to see her reaction." If the reader doesn't have any background or knowledge about the Trojan War, they're not going to understand what this is about. So in the Trojan War, the war starts when one of the goddesses is upset that she doesn't get invited to a wedding. So she throws this golden apple into the middle of the room, and it says, "To the fairest." And all of the goddesses fight over it. And Athena is one of the goddesses who loses. So in the book, it's referenced here. To explain Lore's extreme dislike of Athena, the author refers to the golden apple that began the Trojan War. In this case, it gives the reader a deeper understanding of her personality by showing just how bold and unafraid she is to anger a powerful goddess. So right now, what I want you to do is highlight the description transitions that are used in this elaboration. Again, we're really working on this idea of moving away from "this shows" or "this evidence states." So instead of that, how does the author, go do that. And in the margin, don't forget, you have those transitions to refer to. Remember that the transition goes all the way up to the comma. So I see "to explain" here, but to explain what? To explain Lore's extreme dislike of Athena. There's my transition. And then I see another one, "in this case." The other thing that you should be noticing as we're doing this description strategy is that you're probably going to have more than one elaboration sentence. Your evidence you're going to state in one sentence, but in order to explain it, you have to do two things. You have to explain the reference as it's used here, but you also have to give the background knowledge and make the connection. Okay, so that's our second example. When you're done with highlighting, you're going to go back and do the next slide, slide 3.